Trigger? No. No.
Ah! No.
Oh, okay, there goes the spear.
And here comes the spear.
So difficult.
You
Okay.
launched yourself.
Oh no. Let me get that. Okay. What is that?
I think that's well, let's find out.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Let go of me.
Oh, that's a giant snake.
Yes, it is.
Up.
What? You launched me.
Yep.
Ah.
I can't. Oh, God. What is this? What was that?
I don't know.
Goo launcher? Are you gonna die?
Nope.
Uh-huh. Nope. No, I'm not.
Mine.
No, it's mine.
Ah! Get him off me! What?
I fell off.
Sit backwards for a second.
Oh, whoa.
Woo.
Fine.
Nope. Nope.
See you. Oh. Ow! Yes!
Ow! Well, looks like I finally get to go to the gym.
Meet my buddies.
Ah! Sword!
Oh, I'm still alive. Still alive.
No! No! No!
No! No, my buddies! No! No! Alright.
How long is this gonna keep going for?
Eternity.
Until one of us just gets up.
That was not giving up.
I'm surprised the mic is picking you up. Nice.
I mean, I'm kind of close to it. What?
I was not expecting that to be an instant kill.
Come on, let's... On guard! Oh, okay. There
What?
Ah.
Ah.
Oh!
I was expecting those to fall too.
Okay. So. I see that. Heart.
I just need one snake to hit you. Ah! No!
GG!
Oh. Oh, it's one of these.
So,
I guess we're in Star Wars.
but nobody's gonna stop the thing.
Nope.
Okay, I'll just stay on this side.
I don't even have to move.
I'll just relax. Yeah, lean against the rock. Watch me tree. Okay. What does this do?
Fire to find out.
Ooh.
What happened?
It's my sword.
No, it's not.
I wonder what that's for.
Now do you know what that's for?
Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Alright. No, give me that gun.
No.
Give me that gun. No, no. Okay, it's a different gun. Never mind.
I have no idea what just happened. No! Ah!
Oh.
I got eaten. Whee!
So who's gonna get the gun that's gonna appear in the middle, maybe? Or not? Thank you very much. Okay. No!
Anybody else saw? Did you see that black dot that was at the bottom?
Black dot? Yeah. I saw it. Get away from me, Snake. Stop! Stop it! Snake! It was just about to attack you.
I know. Whee! Oh, what is this? What is this? I'm stuck.
It's a grenade launcher, dude. Or
It's a lava launcher.
just hit you in the face. Yeah.
I can't shoot and do that at the move at the same time.
I'll just relax here, become one with the ground.
The ball.
Ow. That doesn't do a lot of damage.
That does.
Ooh, new map. Boop. Oh. Let me just get on this real quick. It's all good.
No, it's not.
They bite.
Shots at 10 rounds.
Okay, wait.
10 paces.
3, 2, 1. Draw.
I hit you one.
Stop. Why are there snakes in barrels?
Get him off me! Now I'm curious.
Oh, snakes are
Oh,
just falling off.
oh. Get him off!
Long live the king.
Oh no.
So, closing walls? No? No. Snakes.
I must kill you! Before the snakes kill me.
Oh, I'm floating. Oh. Wait a second. Let me try something. Stop. Let me
Now.
try. Please. I'm just gonna throw a gun at you. Oh, that works.
You knocked the gun out of my hand.
Oh. Come on out. Come out. Come here. Come on. That's the only way to shoot me.
Punch me.
To the guts. Oh my god. That's a lot of lasers.
Yes, it is.
No!
What?
I shot a grenade at myself. What is that? Exploding bits.
What?
Shotgun. No, I hate that gun.
How did that happen?
Lightsaber! I must get it.
I'm not gonna let you use it.
How dare you! Oh, what is this? What is this?
Hey,
Yeah!
oh!
Let me get it. No.
No!
I'm gonna get it.
I'm gonna get it.
No. But yeah.
No!
Haha. So hard to control.
Ah, no! My gun! Darn it!
Boss win.